Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, right click on Start icon, then select Device Manager. On this window, we need to click on View on the tab side, then select Show Hidden Devices. So we need to select Network Adapters, then go to Actions and then select Scan. Now we need to close this window. After that, go to search bar and simply type your troubleshoot settings, then click here to open it. On this window, go to other troubleshooters and select internet connection and run it. Now just follow my screen. It will try to detect the problems and to resolve it. Once done, close this window. Again, go to search bar and type CMD, right click on it and select run as administrator. Now on this window, type these commands carefully. Type in netsh winsock reset and hit enter. Then type netcfg space -d. After that, type exit to close the command prompt window and restart your system. That's it guys, your problem is solved. You are good to go.